Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Zalando customer service. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zalando account, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing is I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own Zalando account. How do you do that? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type zalando.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get into the website, look for the sign up button and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your own account. Now, once you're done creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to contact Zalando customer service. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to find an extended menu that says your account, orders, return an item, help and contact, and of course logout. So you can find that through this, or you can just head over to the top left corner and click on help and contact. So let's go over here and help and contact. So this is the help window. Okay, hello Amy, how can we help you? So we have other related queries, not other related queries, and frequently asked questions. Okay, so you want to chat them up, right? You definitely want to reach out to the customer service directly and not just read any of their random posts or articles. So let's head over to non-order related questions. So you have a few options right here: my accounts, gift, card, and vouchers, and the partner that you have size in. And so let's head over to my account. So I'm gonna scroll the way down and up and just click on anything. Let's say I have this questions, just click on that. How do I reset my password? Now, this is not what I want. I just want to reach out to them directly, and I'm sure that's what you want as well. So was this page helpful? I'm not going to respond. But here I have to click on need more help. All right. So you can find the answer you're looking for. Ta-da! This is where they're going to provide all of the details that you need to reach out to the customer service or the customer service directly. So this is chat with us, which is the first thing you're seeing there. And they say the quickest way to check on your orders, returns, refunds, and more. So you can go ahead and click on start chat to have a conversation with them right here in Zalando. And then the next thing is send us an email. It may take us 1 to 2 days to answer your email. You can click on send email and you'll be able to reach out to them via email. And this is call us. It says our specialists are ready for you. The waiting time can be up to 2 minutes, and please have the order number ready. So you can click on call us and they'll be able to respond to you. So as you can see here, it says Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then we have 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then price of a local call. Of course, it's not going to be free, but I think it's definitely going to be cost effective. So this is how you can reach out to Zalando directly. This is how you can reach out to the customer service directly using any of these contact details. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.